Today, we're breaking down 10 side hustles that anyone can start in 2025. These side hustles don't need a ton of money, and most of them can be started with skills you already have. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Freelancing online. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you sell skills like writing, editing, graphic design, or even social media help. You can get started with zero cost, just your time and talent. Number 2. Selling digital products. Think about printables, planners, or even templates. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy. Create once, sell forever. Number 3. Delivery apps. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart. People always want food and groceries delivered. Sign up and you can start earning the same week. Number 4. Print on demand. You upload a design and companies like Redbubble or Teespring handle printing and shipping. You only focus on making designs. Number 5. Tutoring online. If you're good at math, English, or another subject, platforms like Reselling and Chegg Tutors let you make money helping students. Number 6. YouTube automation. You don't have to show your face. You can use stock video, simple editing, and a voiceover team to make cash from ad revenue and affiliate links. Number 7. Pet sitting and dog walking. Apps like Rover connect you to pet owners in your area. If you love animals, this one is perfect. Number 8. Reselling items. Buy cheap at yard sales, thrift stores, or Facebook Marketplace, and flip items on eBay or Poshmark for profit. Number 9. Social media management. Small businesses need help running their Instagram or TikTok. If you can post, schedule, and reply to comments, you can get paid every month. And number 10. Stock photography. Take photos with your phone or camera and upload them to stock sites. You'll earn every time someone downloads your picture. Those are 10 side hustles you can start today in 2025. Pick one, take action, and start building extra income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which side hustle you want to try. Let's grow together.